I'm gonna try to make it get some noise for you. First gear. About 10 times worse yesterday, like that. I don't know if you can hear that. It's not being very cooperative right now. It was much easier to do it yesterday. It had rained overnight, so I don't know if that helped anything. Yeah, under load right there. And the only time I can really get it reliably is when I shift into fourth, so I can't tell if it's synchros or not, but I think it is. Or when I'm turning like this and putting a little bit of load on part of it. I'll try to shift into fourth real quick here. That noise, try it one more time. Second gear, it's not really there, but let's try fourth. That. It's hard to tell, but it's there.